guys, it is April 4th, 2020. From here I gotta do an oil burner service for a guy. He had called me and he had a tub shower issue and also an oil burner problem, and I'm gonna go over there and take care of the oil burner. So I haven't changed the filter at the tank in a few years, so definitely do that. Put a new nozzle in there, and a steel boiler, I believe, and it removed some inserts in the past to get a better draft out of it. It's down in it's like a real tight cellar. I mean, you can barely stand up in there type of thing, but we'll get you some shots over there when I get there. It's an older system. Yo, how you doing, Mama? Alright, I can stand up between the beams here, but that's about it. There's the boiler over there. He wants me to change the filter. It's been a couple of years, he said. This train's a leaker. Well, it's been a year and a half, I guess. No filter at tank 16. So 17, that's 3.5 years since I did the filter. So we'll see what it looks like. Been 3.5 years since I did the filter change. Getting a little low there. Yeah, I think don't look too bad. Fusible link style. Once we start it up, we're going to pull the oil through the pump anyway, so you always want to hold back. Take a screwdriver and pop it. Oh yeah, she's got some muck in her. She's definitely got some muck in her. Looks like there might be water in there too. Oh yeah, looks like gel. She was definitely due for a change. Definitely due for a change. Yeehaw. It's an F4 filter. New gasket. And the filter. We'll probably reuse those gaskets, they're probably fine. Those come with new gaskets if you wanted to use them, but it's probably fine. We'll leave the air in it and we'll pull it through, make sure we get a good flow. Replaced the oil line on this thing before. It's got orange on it. We'll put this back on and we'll bleed it through the other side. This tank's still in pretty good shape actually. Not leaking, so we'll leave it. We're gonna run it and we're gonna bleed the oil through the pump. Get a good flow. Check this pump filter at the same time if we're getting a good flow. If I'm not getting a good flow, then I gotta change the pump filter. We can start it up. We can start it up. Once I get it running, I'll jump out FF to keep it running. So I have to jump out FF. There's going to be air in there. Enough air inside the fuel filter. There it comes. Here comes the air. Left the air in the filter, remember? There it comes. We're getting a good flow there, so we know the pump filter's fine. Jump out FF or I would have tripped. Just temporary. Alright, I'll put a new nozzle in it now. So, change the nozzle. A little time here, so we'll change the nozzle. I have taken some baffles off. It's an AF, you can tell by the blade it's an AF. There's no plastic dot in there. An AFG would have the plastic guard in there. Let's see, we'll get this nozzle assembly out, see what it looks like. This is a steel boiler. I have taken out some of the baffles in it to get a better draft over the fire years ago, because it wasn't really drafting properly. Not too bad. I'll check, see if the head's still attached, which it is, and this will break the carbon off. Any carbon on there, and you can tell if the head's broken. That's fine. That's carburetor cleaner. See how it cleaned it up good, right? And put a little nozzle in it. Hello, could I help you?
Steve,
Oh, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
All right.
You okay?
I'm fine. What about you? You got the Corona Rona?
No, I'm fine. I'm being very careful. I'm wondering if it's time to turn the water on in the cottage and then the outside water in the showers.
Yeah, I mean, I could do that. No problem.
Good.
All right, so there's no one down there?
There's no one there.
All right, I'll go by there and do that probably today then.
Good.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
Yep.
thanks a lot. The
Right.
outdoor showers and the outdoor silcocks and the cottage, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Great.
Yep.
Thanks a lot, Steve.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Put a new nozzle in. I've been doing this boiler for a while. The old Corona Rona. The old bat flu. Here's the old bat flu. The old Corona Rona. Looking crazy. I want to make some bat soup. Make some bat soup soon. Some yummy bat soup. I'll look up the recipe on 1-800 China Knows How to Eat. The old bat soup. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. The old bat soup, mama. Alright, let's see what happens. Oil pressure looks good. Tell it's definitely not rolling out. That's good. Those baffles on the ground over there, I have taken them out to get more draft out of it. It's a good draft right there. The draft. It's good. Probably you're familiar with this boiler. Alright, you can see I took three of those baffles out before to get better draft from the boiler. He's got zone valves. Looks like he's got 4 zones here. 1, 2, 3, 4 zone valves. It's a steel boiler. Alright, so 5/4/2020, which is today. New filter at tank, new nozzle, clean drawer assembly. Burner head, go to oil flow and draft. So we got a new nozzle, new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean drawer assembly, clean burner head, go to oil flow and draft. So he's good to go for another season. And that's not leaking, so it's always good to double check that. And we're not leaking there at the filter, so we're good to go. I did leave the other gaskets here in case I need them, but it looks fine. I don't see the relief blowing, so we're good there. This thing has to go. It's a leaker. You can't stop a train deal. She's a leaker. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. Aren't you a cutie pie? Aren't you a little cutie pie? Well, let me get this guy a bill. We'll get out of here. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss Daddy? Oh yeah, I can see the tail. Yeah, you missed me. You missed me. You missed me. I know, I could tell. Yeah, you missed me. You missed me. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. I know you love driving. You just love driving.